how to show or hide caller ID phone number on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on supplementary services. So after click on supplementary services, so after the process, click on show your caller ID. So if you want to show, so click on, so if you want to hide, so click on always. So after click on always, you will see caller ID is hide. So if you want to show, so click on network default. So after click on network default, you will see your caller ID is show. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can show and hide caller ID phone number on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.